like many people, might have considered getting a coach or a trainer, someone to help you lose weight, hit those fitness goals, reach a certain sort of performance challenge, whatever it might be. But maybe you didn't really know what's involved. And like a lot of people, they don't know what's involved. What do I actually get for my money? Does someone just sort of throw a food plan at me, or a program in the gym and just sort of leave me on my merry way and just check that I'm losing weight now and again? Well, that was one of the reasons why I decided to create more of an online course that you could actually look at what's included. Now, that doesn't mean to say it changes anything in terms of the one-to-one contacts and the accountability. No, it doesn't. As your coach, I am still there to hold you accountable and keep you going along the way with help and advice. But I wanted to put something together where you could actually have a look at what's actually involved and included. What am I going to learn from this person? Okay, so you know with my course, I very much have sort of 5 pillars or 5 areas we focus on. So we'll definitely focus on mindset. It's key. I know it sounds airy-fairy, but it's key. We're definitely focusing on, especially with the women I'm working with hormones, hormonal health. It's key to a woman's health, let's be honest, where her hormones are at. Not just the sex hormones, all the hormones, okay? They all affect each other. Obviously, we've got movement, we've got exercise, or however that looks for you, however you move your body. We've got nutrition, obviously that's another one that we know we're going to focus on because that's key to getting in the right shape. But a big one of my pillars is sleep. Something people don't realise is key to a healthy lifestyle, an optimum amount of sleep. And most women out there have admitted to themselves they will never sleep properly again. Not true. We can do things to help that. So we're working on those 5 pillars. And on the course, I'm going to put the link below. On the course I've now released, it sort of shows you within those pillars what you're going to learn. Now, as I say, within those pillars, within those sessions within each module that get released, there's still that one-to-one contact between me and you. There's still that keeping in touch. There's still that push to keep you going, because the accountability is what a lot of people need. A lot of people know what they've got to do. They might need some education in the detail. They know what they've got to do in the basics. They need the detail, they need the education, they need to understand why, but they need someone to make them sure they're doing it right. And that's why I'm here. So on that, if you have any other questions about the link, have a read, get in touch. We can still have a conversation and let me know when you'd like to get started.